Hi, today I'd like to show you Typ-O, an app for writing on the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. Typ-O includes many cool features, including word prediction, text-to-speech, and spell check. It's great for avoiding typos and perfect for people who struggle with writing or spelling. So let's go check it out. So here's the app. I'm going to clear what I've written. And then I just start typing. And as I type, you can see it starts to predict what words I want to type. So when I type T, it says this. So I was going to type this. I can hear the word spoken to me by tapping this button.
This.
And then I can select it by pressing it. And then it predicted the next word I was going to type, which is.
This is great. It is very cool.
Now, when I'm done typing it, what I want, I can listen to the whole thing.
This is very cool.
I can share it by email, message, or copy it to a different application, along with printing it out to an printer. And I can delete it, of course. It also helps with spelling, so if I go import, I spelled it wrong, but it still comes up with I might want important.
Important.
So I can listen to it to make sure it's right, and then I can press it to add it. So it's a pretty nice application for word prediction, and the text-to-speech is very nice, but unfortunately it uses cloud voice, is what it calls it, which means that the voices are not natively in the app. It has to go to the internet to use the voice. So that means if you're not on Wi-Fi, it uses your cellular data, and it's not as fast as a native voice. So I'm going to turn off the cloud voice just to give you a sense of what the normal, the built-in voice sounds like. And now I'll have the non-cloud voice, the built-in voice, read it to you.
Important things are happening all the time.
So as you can see, it's kind of disappointing that the voices that are built into the app are of such a low quality. But hopefully you won't have to use that voice a lot because because you're connected to Wi-Fi or you have 3G or 4G. But it would be nicer if the voices were built in. Another thing that I would also like to see is the ability to highlight the words as it's going along. That helps people with dyslexia be able to follow along with what's being read. But I guess if you want to use that, you can say select all in iOS 6 and say speak. I don't know if you could see that, but it was highlighting along with it. So in settings, I'll just show you what you can change in settings. It helps if you can tell it how your spelling is so it knows how to predict your spelling. And you can also change the size of your vocabulary. So if you say you have a small vocabulary, it won't predict very large words for you, which will help the accuracy. Here at the bottom, you can change the pitch and reading rate of the voice. And all the way at the bottom, you have themes where you can change the look of the app. So that's Typ-O for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It requires iOS 6 to update, to use, and there is a light version on the App Store if you want to try it out before you buy it. Alright, thanks for watching.